Music promotions.
The origins of the flute can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where early versions of the instrument were crafted from bone, wood, and various other materials. Archaeological discoveries revealed the presence of flutes in diverse cultures, from the haunting sounds of the Chinese xiao to the rhythmic beats of the Egyptian ney. These primitive flutes served not only as musical instruments but also held cultural and ceremonial significance, connecting people to their spiritual realms. As civilizations flourished and interconnected, the flute evolved in form and function. In ancient Greece, the aulos, a double-reeded flute, became a staple in musical performances and religious ceremonies. The Roman tibia continued this legacy, influencing the medieval and Renaissance eras. Throughout Asia, unique flute traditions blossomed, each contributing to the rich tapestry of global musical heritage. During the Renaissance and Baroque periods, the flute underwent significant transformations in Europe. The transverse flute, held horizontally, gained popularity, becoming an integral part of orchestras and chamber music. Master craftsmen refined the instrument's design, and virtuosos like Johann Joachim Quantz elevated the flute to new heights with their technical prowess. In the Romantic era, the flute became a symbol of expressive emotion. Composers like Claude Debussy and Carl Philipp Emanuel Bach showcased the instrument's lyrical capabilities, infusing their compositions with the ethereal beauty of the flute. The instrument's warm tones resonated with the romantic ideals of the time, captivating audiences with its emotive power. The 20th century witnessed further innovation in flute design and technique. The advent of the BEM system brought about improvements in key mechanisms, expanding the flute's range and facilitating more complex musical passages. Pioneering flutists, such as Sir James Galway, pushed the boundaries of the instrument, exploring genres beyond classical music and embracing a more diverse repertoire. Today, the flute stands as a testament to the enduring power of human creativity. From its humble beginnings in ancient civilizations to its prominence in orchestras and contemporary genres, the flute's history is a testament to its adaptability and universal appeal.